Hi boys and girls, happy Friday! Time for phonics. Remember, repeat after me, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If the words rhyme, thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, thumbs down. Cow, how. You got it. Dish, wish. Fin, dog. Spoon, moon. Bus, tag. Nice. All right, next one. You are going to listen. I'm going to say the first word with the first sound, then you repeat. Moon, Cow, k. Laugh, l. Sight, s. Dish, d. Great. Next one, we're going to blend our compound words. Remember, you're going to repeat after me each part, and then we're going to clap the word together, and we're going to say it together. Sun, day, Sunday. Him, self, himself. Foot, ball, football. Down, load, download. Tool, box, toolbox. All right, next one is our roller coaster. Remember, we're going to be listening for that middle vowel sound, all right? So remember, do the roller coaster with me and then see if you can pick out that middle sound. Here we go. Hut, hut. Middle sound, you got it. Next one, Doug, ugh. Middle sound, Sun, Middle sound, Bus, s. Middle sound, The last one, tub, b. Middle sound is Nice job. Okay, next one, you're going to need your choppers because we're going to segment words. We're going to break our compound words into 2 words. So here you go. You repeat after me. Haystack, haystack. Someone, someone. Nowhere, nowhere. Sweatshirt, sweatshirt. Makeup, make up. Awesome. Next one, we're going to add words. So you need your hands for this one, all right? You're going to repeat after me each part, and then we're going to clap the word and say it together. Ever, add green, evergreen. Over, add flow, overflow. Pony, add tail, ponytail. Water, add fall, waterfall. After, add noon, afternoon. Great job. Next one, we're going to delete words. So you're going to hold a word on your hand and we're going to take away a part of that word. Footprint. Without print, what's left is foot. birthday. Without birth, what's left is day. Somewhere. Without some, what's left is where. Groundhog. Without ground, what's left is hog. Candlelight. Without light, what's left is candle. Awesome. All right, we have done our rhyme every day this week, and today we're going to end it. So I'm going to say the whole rhyme, then you say the whole rhyme, then we'll say the whole rhyme together. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Your turn. Great, now let's say it together. All right, here we go. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Great job. Hope you guys have an excellent weekend, and see you next week. Bye.